Hey there, this is Domani Home Design, designer assistant, lead designer assistant training for on products and services. So I just wanted to share with you the products and services that we currently offer. This is the end of 2020, and it is the services and products that we will be offering into 2021. There may be some more that are added in 2021, and we can talk about those as we move forward. But first of all, our number one service that we provide people is the complete design services for new custom home floor plans. So people who are interested in building a new home and they need the floor plans in order to submit for permits and have the builder build off of, that's what we do. Um, we aren't just drafters. We design the home to fit the client's personal needs, their wants, their lifestyle, their goals that they have of what what they want their home to look like, feel like, live like, function. So that's our primary service that we offer currently. With that service, they get a full set of construction documents that are engineering ready. So they're completely ready to turn over to the structural engineer and get them to stamp and sign off and add their supplemental pages and all that kind of stuff. So our construction documents currently look like a cover page with 3D renderings on it, followed by elevations, 2D elevations, sketched out, dimensioned, foundation plan, basement plan, main floor plan, second floor plan if there is one. Also, that applies to a basement plan if there is a basement. Electrical layout, flooring assignment laid out on the floor plan, floor and roof framing plans, bird's eye view / top elevation, looking down on it, cross sections, interior elevations and details as needed, and then the site plan. Another thing that we're starting to offer that we haven't fully developed yet, but we hope to have it very early on in 2021, and that is an individual style guide for our clients to reference during their selections process. And what that looks like is it's just a kind of generic outline. We take the style of the home that we think that they're, designing to, or that we've interpreted from the whole design process. And whether it's like a modern farmhouse or rustic, craftsman, Victorian, Cape Cod, traditional, modern, whatever, we will take that style and we will give them a guide, a reference booklet that says, okay, here are some sample exterior materials that are useful in this style. This is what, if you have a column, it should probably be made out of this type of material or look like this. Here are some colors that work great in this schematic. Windows can look like this. Your lighting, your flooring, those just really basic generic samples and ideas, kind of like mood boards basically, but mood boards for the entire house, the big things, not every little detail, because we don't have time for that. So that's an end product that we want to provide as a bonus for our clients working with us. The second bonus that we want to provide this year is a shopping guide checklist, and have that be in order for the things that they need to be shopping for as they go about building a new home. Like, some people don't realize that they need to pick out their plumbing fixtures really early on, like before it's fully framed, so that when the plumber comes in and does the rough framing, he can put in the right valves for, the shower faucets and different things like that. Not saying the right word, but anyway. Also, people don't realize that they'll be shopping for the master bathroom tub, for fireplace inserts, front doors, appliances are super helpful to know up front. So just that sort of thing, where we want them to be really organized and to kind of like, when they leave us, they have a good outline of what their next steps are. So that is it in a nutshell. We hope to continually be looking for ways that we can add more value to the work that we provide people and set them up on a good path to a good home construction journey.